Research shows with children and the way their brain develops, their brain is not ready for formalised learning until they hit 7 years of age. So they don't benefit from any sort of structure. Their brain needs to get all that social emotional growth first. And the way they do that is through this free-flowing, unstructured play. And only once they've got that can they go on to formal learning, which isn't till about 7. So going into school at years 4 and 5 is really a little bit too young. So whatever we can do to help children and give them all the play they can get, I think that's the best thing that we can do for children.
And with the play-based learning, it allows the kids to question why. So everything is questioning, why does this work? Why does that work? How is my behaviour affecting that child? Or what's the growth behind that? And then as they're doing that with supervision and guidance, but still allowing them to explore, they then are able to go through and grow on that and develop that inquiry learning, which is so important for their brain. For as they go on into schooling later on, they need that inquiry to ask why the teacher's telling them what to do, or why that science experiment is working the way they're working, because it's an inquiry-based learning. So it really helps set them up for that long term, but in the beginning just really allowing them to focus on the why, because the why is just so important for kids especially.
I was reading over the weekend, there was Massachusetts Institute of Technology. They did this study program and they had 2 groups of children and 1 group of young children, kindy age, preschool age. They had this toy that lit up, made sounds, did this if you turned it this way, did that, whatever, whole lot of things. 1 group of children, they showed them how to make it squeak and do this noise. The other group of children, they just let them explore on their own. At the end of the study, the kids that knew how to squeak the toy could still squeak the toy. Yeah. The children in the other group who hadn't been given any instruction and had the time to explore knew every little element of what that toy would do. So I think it's really, that just showcases how important it is to give children the time to explore.
Definitely.
Because, that's what they need, their imagination.